Welcome back to the Origin Room, where we trace the world's biggest ideas back to their very first spark. I'm your host, and today we're tackling a question that rules our modern lives. Who invented the first clock? Before we had minutes and seconds, we had the sun. Around 3500 BC, the ancient Egyptians created the sundial. By watching the shadow cast by a giant stick, or obelisk, they could track the path of the sun. It was brilliant, but it had one major flaw. It was useless the second the sun went down. So the quest for the nighttime clock began. Enter the water clock, or Clepsydra. By letting water drip steadily from one marked container to another, the Greeks and Romans could measure time 24/7. It was the high tech of the ancient world. Fast forward to the 13th century. This is where things get mechanical. In medieval Europe, the first large-scale mechanical clocks appeared in church towers. They didn't have faces or hands. They were just giant systems of weights and gears designed to ring a bell to call people to prayer. It wasn't until 1656 that the Dutch scientist Christian Huygens invented the pendulum clock. This changed everything. It reduced errors from minutes per day to seconds per week, finally giving us the precision we recognize today. From sun shadows to church bells to the digital pulses on your wrist, timekeeping has come a long way. Thanks for joining us here at the Origin Room. If you loved this deep dive, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and tell us in the comments, what's the one piece of history you've always wanted us to uncover? See you next time.